Okay guys, so here is my new little baby. I haven't opened him yet, but I went ahead and took the label out of the top. And just because of everything going on around the world lately, just going to wear some gloves to handle the box. And then I have a little storage container that I'm going to stick the baby in, and then everything's going to go outside into the trash immediately. That's why this is in a bag on my bed and I have gloves on. Okay. Trying not to be too rough with the box. Okay. There's a lot of tape on here. So this little gecko is named Twix, and I named him Twix. And he is from the Gecko Barracks, which is a breeder that I found on Facebook. Okay, this is very well packaged. Then again, this isn't really the sharpest knife, but okay, here we go. Make sure that you can see this easily. Kind of move this over a little bit. Oh dear. 1 second. My camera battery is low. Okay. Try this again. Definitely an important reason to have a spare camera battery spare camera battery on hand. Definitely important, because otherwise, okay, I don't want to put this anywhere. We'll get the little container here. Okay. Oh my goodness, here's the little baby. Okay, get a little bit closer. There's the little baby. So of course you guys will get to see him a little bit more up close. Here is his little information area there. Oh my goodness, so he's not much younger. Well, actually he's about a year younger than my youngest gecko. So because obviously my youngest ones hatched out in 2018. That was in November. Oh my goodness. You're such a cute little guy. Okay, it's okay. Come here. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to put him in a little container real quick. And then I will throw this box away, and then we'll come back so that you guys can see the gecko a little bit better. Okay guys, so I took everything outside. I got the little guy on my hand. I'm just going to kind of try to focus. There we go. Hopefully you can see him okay. I'm going to see if I can get a better area with lighting real quick. Okay guys, so for the safety of the gecko, I went ahead and put him in a little cup so that you guys could see him easily, I mean. And let's see, how close do I need to be here? I'm not used to videoing with my actual camera, but I wanted to get some good shots. So this is a extreme tricolor 80% pinstripe. Sold to me as male, so I'm really hoping the person was correct. I of course have a jeweler's loop. I forget how freaking annoying this container is. Okay. Kind of show him off here like this. There we go. Of course, I will do some videoing with my phone just because I'm more comfortable working with my phone versus my actual camera. And then we are going to weigh him. Okay, so here's what he looks like. This is a lot better being by the window. It's been a while since I've held such a tiny little baby. Oop! Actually, if you'll stay right there, that is a perfect spot. I can take this off the tripod. Here we go. So you can see the little guy a little bit better. Oop, you got a little cat hair on your nose. I wonder where that came from. So tiny. Such a cute little guy. Not much bigger than my little 100-gram weight there. Anyway, guys, we'll go ahead and weigh him and see what he weighs. Okay, so we will get the scale going here. We're going to, of course, zero the scale out first. Okay. Now we'll try and see if we can get this little guy weighed. Nope, stay in the container. No. Get your booty in there. Come on now. Get down. Okay. Not really quite 6 grams. I mean, not every scale is going to be exactly precise, so I mean, mine, I'm pretty sure mine is spot on though, because I just checked it earlier, so 5.27 is kind of what it's hovering around, so we'll go off of that. But still, that's still better than nothing, of course. And that's still pretty good for this size. Okay. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. Stay tuned toward the end for a little bit better up-close footage of the baby on my phone. But I just wanted to have this video of me like unboxing the baby and taking him out and everything, just for my security too, just in case something were to happen to the baby, I would have evidence, you know, and proof. But obviously everything turned out fine, so that's great. So anyway, guys, stay tuned to the end if you want a little bit up close, better footage, and of course getting to see what the baby's tank looks like, all that fun stuff. So anyway, guys, otherwise, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd want to support the channel and get to see some more updates on this guy as well as my other geckos. Thanks again for watching, and have a good rest of your day.